Hello friends, welcome back again to this channel. I'm walking you around Tharaka Nithi in my village, and guys, I just found this waterfall along this river. This is River Tongo, which comes all the way from Mount Kenya. And guys, I found this view. There is this waterfall that comes from up there, and it seems here there are two rivers that are joining here. This one on your left side, there is a river that I don't know if it's a river, but I guess it's the same river that have separated somewhere up there, and it's coming to join at this point. So on your right side is a waterfall, and the other side the water just flowing and joining down here. So guys, when I was young, there was a bridge somewhere up there where we used to cross and come to this other side where there is a coffee factory. You will see it as the video moves on. Here I was trying to climb up back to to the street, to the path where we came, the path that we used when coming here. And as I was going back, I saw these shoes there. So we were wondering where the shoes are coming from, and I was scared. I thought maybe somebody was around there, and so we had to leave. And I was showing my friend the coffee factory on the right hand side. That is a coffee factory, the one I am saying we used to bring our coffee. And over there you can see those are trays where coffee was dried. I think it's still functional, because here there are so many coffee farmers. That is Davy Vlogs. He was with me, and we were just taking a walk around this area. This is our village. The river that is near our village, it's called River Tongo. And we went back to the car to continue with the journey. We were just going around to see our village, because it has been long since we came here. So we wanted to see how everything was going on. So guys, here this is the Hidden Treasure Hotel. It's built just beside that River Tongo, and as you can see, there are, it's a, I don't know how many stories. Is it maybe 4-story house, but it's built somewhere on top of the hill. But down here is where you will get the whole view of the river. There are seats there. They have put some seats there. And guys, we were not alone. There was another car that brought some visitors to see what was happening around the river. Yeah, and we decided to move on to see ahead of us what is happening. So guys, this is the ahead of us is the hotel, the entrance. You will see it when we start moving. That is the hotel, the gate. That is where the gate is to access this whole hotel. This hotel, again, it's called Hidden Treasure. It is you can access it from Midero. Midero is along Embu Meru Highway. Midero is just after Chuka University, and then in between Chuka and Midero there is a stage called Giampampo. So that is where the easiest way to access the hotel is Giampampo or Midero, a place called down there, a place called just after the hill, after climbing down the hill, a place called Kaurameji. You will see it on my video as we move on. But this hotel, it's along, we can say it's along Embu Meru Highway. Hidden Treasure. Yeah guys, that's it. Continue watching, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe guys. Let's get to 1000 subs. Also remember to like the video after you watch. Yeah, and we will get there very soon. Yeah guys, thank you for watching. Continue watching the video to the end and enjoy. And this is called Hidden Treasure Lodge. Hidden Treasure Lodge. Hidden Treasure Lodge. There you go. Yeah, let's go. That's the entrance. These are the views right here, guys. Yeah, guys, this is still after Hidden Treasure, guys. I am still at Tongo River, but I am somewhere up, and that is how the view looks. And this is a forest of, I don't know why my phone is not showing a very clear picture of that forest. But guys, that's how the view looks down here. That is the view of Tongo River. Trust me guys, it's very green. I don't know why my camera cannot show the greenery, but it's very green. Yeah, it's very green guys. That's how it looks behind me. Yeah, that is River Tongo. That's River Tongo for you. It's very green. You can see the view there. It's very dangerous here. I cannot even try to walk down there. But as you can see guys, that's my homeland. That's where Makena Njagi comes from. Yeah, look at this. And over here, that is Nithi. So guys, that is it. As I said, I'm still at Tharaka Nithi County. Just want to see the views of this. It's a rainy season guys, you can see. Wow, this is very risky. Here it seems the water came down. There is a slope guys, you can see. The water carried this soil all the way down there. There, guys. There is a mango tree over here and another one. So that is the view. That's how it's evening. That's why it looks a bit dark, but that's the view, guys. And this is on the way to Midheru. And that bike is carrying bread and kangumu. Yeah, yes guys, that's the view. That's the view over there. Tharaka-Nithi. Guys, let me show you what people used to thatch the houses with. There are so much to show you guys here. This is traditionally, this is what people, the grass that people here used to thatch their huts with. This one. This is the one that is used to thatch the huts. But right now in this village, people have already built stone and story houses. So it's not like before, when they used to thatch the house. They used to build huts, only huts. Guys, I want to show you where the tarmac joins. You can already see the vehicles here. That is where the tarmac joins this road that goes to that big hotel that I have shown you there. And for those who know this area, guys, you can tell where I am. But if you still cannot tell because it's been long, this place is called Kaurameje. Guys, if you are from this area, you know what I'm talking about. And this is the stones, guys, used for the ballast for building. So they bring them here to sell. And this is Kaurameje, guys. This is the place I'm talking about. You can see that board that guides you to Hidden Treasure Hotel. Yeah, that's how big it looks. This is a mango tree, guys. You can see this is a mango tree, indigenous one, an indigenous mango tree. When you come here, when it's mango season, you will eat a lot of mangoes from this area, free mangoes. Yeah, guys, that is it. This is a boat that will guide you to Hidden Treasure. There is accommodation, conference hall, fine dining, clubhouse, garden events, swimming pool, and nature view.